Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Meta AI on Instagram. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to launch my Instagram application on my mobile phone. And to get the Meta AI, we need to go to our Instagram direct messages. So we can click on this Instagram direct messages icon on the top right. And then we will get the Meta AI right here. If you want to use it, you just need to click on this option. And for your information guys, that not all Instagram accounts get the Meta AI feature on the Instagram direct messages. I think the Instagram application give us the Meta AI gradually. So if you haven't got this Meta AI feature on your Instagram direct messages yet, you can wait for your turn. And as you can see, I have got this Meta AI. And if you want to use it, we just need to click on this option, and you can ask Meta AI anything you want. For example, I'm just going to use the suggested prompt. I'm going to select this prompt, for example. Okay, and this is the result. And you can send a message to the Meta AI. I'm going to ask the Meta AI to generate an image, butterfly image. Oops. Okay, then you can send this prompt to the Meta AI, and the Meta AI will create an image for you. Okay, this is the result. You can also use the Meta AI on your group chat or your personal chat. For example, I'm going to use the Meta AI on this group chat. We just need to click on the symbol. Okay, and these are the prompt for the Meta AI, and I'm going to use one of the prompt right here. I'm going to select this prompt. Okay, and I'm going to send it to the AI. Okay, and this is the result. If you want to ask Meta AI, you can type in add like this and then mention in the Meta AI. Okay, and you can ask anything to the AI. Okay, that's easy, right? You can use it on group chat or personal chat. If you want to use it on the personal chat, you just need to open up the personal chat and you can mention the Meta AI like this, or you can simply click on the symbol. Okay. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Meta AI on Instagram. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.